Hello grade 10 students, welcome to this video lesson. I am Madhu Vadke. We are in the middle of chapter 5, arithmetic progression. In previous class we learned how to write down a general form for the nth term of an AP, and we also used this formula to solve some simple problems. In today's video class, we will continue with the application of this formula in problem solving with a little higher difficulty level. Let's quickly recall what we have learned so far in the chapter. An AP is a list of numbers in which the succeeding term is obtained by adding a fixed number to the previous term. And the nth term of this AP is written as An is equal to A plus n minus 1 times D, where A is the first term of the AP, n is the number of terms, and D is the common difference or the fixed number that you are adding to the previous number to get the next number. So let's get started. We will solve some questions from exercise 5.2. Question number 8. An AP consists of 50 terms, of which third term is 12 and the last term is 106. Find the 29th term. AP consists of 50 terms. So n is equal to 50, of which the third term is 12. So A3 is equal to 12. But A3 is written as A plus 2D, which is equal to 12. The last term is 106. Since there are 50 terms in this AP, the last term will be A50, and that is equal to 106. So this implies A50 is equal to A plus 49D equal to 106. Now we have simultaneous equation in two variables, which we will solve using elimination method. So A plus 2D equal to 12, A plus 49D equal to 106. Subtracting the two, so we change the sign. Minus 47D is equal to minus 94. So 47D is equal to 94, or D is equal to 94 upon 47, which is equal to 2. Now we can substitute value of D in one of the equations. Say the first equation. So A plus 2D is equal to 12. So A is equal to 12 minus 2D. Substituting the value of D, we get A equal to 8. Now that we have D and A, we can find out the 29th term of this AP, that is A29, which is equal to A plus 28D. Substituting the values, 8 plus 28 times 2, which gives us 64. So the 29th term is 64. Question number 9 of the same exercise. If the third and the ninth term of an AP are 4 and minus 8, the third term is written as A3, which is equal to A plus 2D, and that is equal to 4. Likewise, the ninth term is minus 8. So ninth term is written as a plus 8d, and that is equal to minus 8. Now we have simultaneous equation in two variables. So let's solve them using elimination method. Change the sign. A gets eliminated. We have minus 6d equal to 12. So d is equal to minus 2. Substitute value of d in equation 1. We get a equal to 4 minus 2d, which is equal to 4 minus 2 into minus 2, and that gives us 8. So we have the first term and the common difference. Now we have to find which term of the AP is 0. So let's say the nth term of AP is 0. So nth term is written as an. So an is equal to 0. Substituting the formula for the nth term, a plus n minus 1 times d is equal to 0. So 8 plus n minus 1 times minus 2 is equal to 0. N minus 1 times minus 2 is equal to minus 8, carrying 8 to the right side. So n minus 1 is equal to minus 8 on minus 2, which is equal to 4. So this implies n equal to 5. So in this AP, the fifth term will be 0. Question number 11. Which term of the AP 3, 15, 27, 39 will be 132 more than its 54th term? So the first term is 3. D is equal to A2 minus A1. The second term is 15 minus first term, that is 3. So we get 12. Now we have to find which term of the AP will be 132 more than its 54th term. This information has to be written as an equation. Let an be that term that we need to find, which is 132 more than its 54th term. So an is greater than 54th term. That means an is greater than A54. By how much? By 132. So we add 132 to the smaller side so that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. So now we will substitute the expression for the nth term and the 54th term. So a plus n minus 1 times d is equal to a plus 53d plus 132. So a gets cancelled. N minus 1 times d is 12 equal to 53 times d plus 132. So n minus 1 times 12 is equal to 636 plus 132, which on adding gives us 768. So n minus 1 is equal to 768 divided by 12, which is equal to 64. So this implies n is equal to 64 plus 1, that is equal to 65. So the 65th term will be 132 more than its 54th term. Question number 12. Two APs have the same common difference. The difference between their 100th term is 100. What is the difference between their 1000th term? Two APs have same common difference, D. However, the first term of both the APs are going to be different, and that is how the two APs are going to be different even though they have the same common difference. So let us denote one AP by A1, A2, A3 and so on, and the second AP we will denote by B1, B2, B3 and so on. Difference between their 100th term. So A100 will be the 100th term of first AP minus B100 will be the 100th term of the second AP. The difference between them is equal to 100. 100th term is written as A plus 99D minus B100th term will be written as B plus 99D equal to 100. So opening the brackets now, A plus 99D minus B minus 99D is equal to 100. 99D minus 99D becomes 0. So we have A minus B equal to 100. Let's mark this as 1. We have to find the difference between their 1000th term. So A 1000 minus B 1000 will be equal to A plus 999D minus B plus 999D. Opening the brackets, A plus 999D minus B minus 999D. So the D term gets cancelled and we are left with A minus B. But from equation 1, A minus B is 100. So the difference between the 1000th term will also be 100. Question number 13. How many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7? We have to count only 3-digit numbers which are multiples of 7. Only then they will be divisible by 7. So what is the smallest 3-digit number? 100. To find the smallest 3-digit number that is divisible by 7, we will divide 100 by 7. So we get remainder 2. Now if this number was 35, then 7 5s are 35 would have given us remainder 0. That means if we add 5 to 100, then 105 will be the number that is divisible by 7. So smallest 3-digit number divisible by 7 will be 105. Now we need to find out the largest 3-digit number. That is divisible by 7. But what is the largest 3-digit number? 999. Let's divide 999 by 7. We get remainder 5. That means if we subtract 5 from 999, then the difference 994 will be exactly divisible by 7. So, largest 3-digit number divisible by 7 is 994. So we have found the first term of the AP, that is 105. The next term of the AP will be 7 more, because we are listing 3-digit numbers that are divisible by 7. So adding 7 we get 112, then 119, and so on, and the last number is 994. So A is 105, the common difference is 7, and the nth term or the last term is 994. Now we can find n by using the formula A plus n minus 1 times d is equal to an. Substitute values of a, d and an and solve for n. So n minus 1 times 7 is equal to 889. N minus 1 is equal to 889 divided by 7, which is equal to 127. So n is equal to 127 plus 1, which is equal to 128. So there are going to be 128 terms in this AP that has 3-digit numbers which are divisible by 7. With this we come to the end of this video lesson. Your assignment for today are these 3 questions from exercise 5.2. Question number 7, 10 and 14. Question number 7. Find the 31st term of an AP whose 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 73. In this question, with the given information, we can form 2 simultaneous equations. Solving those 2 simultaneous equations will give us the values of A and D. After we have obtained A and D, then we can find the 31st term. Question number 10. The 17th term of an AP exceeds its 10th term by 7. The 17th term is written as A 17th. Exceeds is greater than the 10th term. So to make these two equal, you will have to add 7 to the 10th term. Solving this equation will give you the value of D. Question number 14. How many multiples of 4 lie between 10 and 250? We have to count numbers that are between 10 and 250. That means 10 and 250 are not included. And those numbers that are multiples of 4. So after 10, the first number that is multiple of 4 is 12. Then the next number is 16, 20 and so on. Likewise, you will find out the last number which is multiple of 4. And then list down the AP. From the AP you will write down A, D and the nth term, and then substitute these values in the formula of the nth term and find n. See you in the next class with more problems. Until then, goodbye.